Jenny, Jenny, hanger Jenny.
You know, Tia, you should be here. You're missing all the fun. Come on, follow me. I'm going to kick your ass, Chris. Look at all that's left. Wait till you see the hangers that's coming home. I'm on Chris TV. Are you guys fantastic? I love what I do this much. I hope you're having fun videotaping this. You having fun? You're as twisted as your wife. You're as twisted as your